If you're retired, and you've felt even slightly less sharp, less driven, or less necessary lately, this may not be just aging. It may be retirement quietly reshaping you. After years in nursing, I saw something most people never admit. Retirement doesn't weaken people suddenly. It softens them slowly. And because it's gradual, it goes unnoticed, until real decline begins. Today, I want to show you 5 subtle signs that retirement may already be influencing you more than you realize. Not to alarm you, but to wake you up. Sign number 1, you've stopped initiating your own life. You respond. You attend. You accept invitations. But you rarely create them. Work used to demand initiative from you. Now, if you don't demand it from yourself, it disappears. And initiative is strength. When it declines, confidence often follows. Sign number 2, your mornings have lost direction. Not relaxation, direction. There's no reason to rise with intention. No expectation. No deadline. No external demand. When mornings lose weight, days drift. When days drift, identity begins to loosen. Structure isn't about pressure. It's about stability. Sign number 3, you avoid discomfort more than you used to. Work required discomfort. Hard decisions. Deadlines. Problem solving. Conflict resolution. Retirement removes most of that. And comfort becomes easier to protect. But here's the truth, muscles weaken without resistance. And so does identity. Without challenge, resilience fades quietly. Sign number 4, you talk more about who you were than who you are becoming. Your past accomplishments matter. But if your strongest identity lives only in memory, retirement may be limiting your forward movement. Strong aging requires forward momentum. Not nostalgia as a permanent residence. Sign number 5, you feel slightly less mentally sharp, and you blame age. Sometimes it is age. But sometimes it is underuse. The brain thrives on friction. Learning. Deciding. Teaching. Solving. Remove friction, and it conserves energy. Conserve long enough, that conservation feels like decline. Let me say this clearly. Retirement itself is not the danger. Unchallenged retirement is. You don't stay strong by default. You stay strong by demand. And when work stops demanding from you, you must decide whether you will demand from yourself. The retirees who impressed me most were not busy for the sake of being busy. They were intentional. They scheduled commitments. They created responsibility. They remained useful. No one forced them. They chose it. And choice is power. Now, if even one of these signs resonates with you, this is not shame. It is awareness. And awareness gives you control. Ask yourself, where have I become passive? What discomfort have I stopped allowing? What challenge could I reintroduce this week? Not someday. This week. One commitment. One schedule. One responsibility. One physical demand. One intellectual demand. Retirement removes structure. But it does not remove your ability to build it. Everything shared here is for educational awareness only and not medical advice. If you are experiencing persistent sadness, memory concerns, or health changes, consult a qualified healthcare professional. But if what you're feeling is simply softness where strength used to be, that can be rebuilt. You are not finished. You are not fading. Unless you choose to drift, demand something from yourself again. That demand protects independence. If you value direct conversations about aging strong, subscribe to Care Before Crisis. Because strong retirement is not automatic. It is deliberate. Care Before Crisis.